Hello, Chef here. Today we're making French onion soup. And for French onion soup, of course, you need a loaf of French bread. You need some beautiful Spanish onions. You're going to need a bay leaf. Garlic is optional. However, I like garlic. You're going to need some beef stock, just like this. A couple of cups of beef stock. A little bit of wine, just a touch of wine. And a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and I'm putting thyme in there as well. The French onion soup is finished, served with some crusty French bread. Looking very good. Please leave a comment below. Tell us what you think. Okay, olive oil in a very hot pan. Onions go in. Stir the onions so that they brown evenly. Let them cook. By the way, this was Grandma Giovanni's favorite cherry wooden spoon. It's really, really nice. These babies are actually made in France, and you can score them right there. Okay, at this point, we're putting our sliced garlic, some thyme, about a teaspoon, a bay leaf, let it cook a few moments, nice and brown, yeah, and we're going to be deglazing it with this fine red wine here, yeah, this one, okay, just a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay, and now moving on to the next step. Of course, any good French onion, you need a nice rich stock, and here I've made a beef stock. This is the good stuff right here. We're adding our beef stock. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe a little bit more of that. Okay, adding just a touch of pepper, and we let the soup simmer for approximately 30 minutes. It's so funny, French onion, and we're using Italian cheese. So we're putting provolone and or mozzarella on top of the soup. And you want to make sure you cut these in nice thin slices. Once again, referring to the other videos, you can see what it takes to cut the cheese correctly. You need a good cheese knife like this. A few slices on each bowl. It's going to be good. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, we're using these very special French onion soup bowls to make our soup. They're really cool. And you need to cut the crouton of the French bread nice and thick to fit the bowl. Nice. Okay, Chef here, and I'm just getting ready to finish up this French onion soup. The onions are nice and tender. It's looking really good. I'm going to be putting approximately, this is a 2-ounce ladle, so maybe 2, 4, 6, 8 ounces in each bowl. Okay, the crouton goes on top of each one of these, like this. Crouton in. Okay. And then if you need, you can add a little bit more. I'm going to put a little bit more French bread in the side of each one of these. I want to give you a peek at what's happening here under the broiler. Look at those soups cooking. Yeah. The finished French onion soup au gratin. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and most of all, keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Yeah! Maple edge grain. Maple end grain.